10 Best Books You Must Read If You Want More Success, Happiness and Peace. If you're looking for a life of success, happiness and peace, you need to read these 10 books. 1. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey is a book that has helped millions of people achieve success in their personal and professional lives. The book centers on the idea that habits are the key to success. Covey argues that highly effective people have developed habits that allow them to accomplish more than the average person. The book outlines 7 specific habits that can be used to achieve success. Habit 1 is to be proactive. Habit 2 is to begin with the end in mind. Habit 3 is to put first things first. Habit 4 is to think win-win. Habit 5 is seek first to understand, then to be understood. Habit 6 is synergize, and habit 7 is to sharpen the saw. By developing these habits, individuals can transform their lives and reach their full potential. 2. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. It has sold millions of copies and has been translated into dozens of languages. The book offers simple, yet effective, advice on how to win friends and influence people. Carnegie believed that the key to success in life was mastering the art of communication. He taught that by sincerely caring about others and showing genuine interest in them, we can win their friendship and trust. His book remains relevant today because its timeless advice can help us to build strong relationships with others both in our personal and professional lives. Whether you're looking to make new friends or improve your existing relationships, How to Win Friends and Influence People is definitely worth a read. 3. The Power of Positive Thinking by Vincent Peale. The book was a runaway bestseller, selling over 5 million copies in its first 2 years. The book's simple message that we can achieve success and happiness by thinking positive thoughts struck a chord with many Americans who were struggling to find their way in a post-World War II world. Peale's book provided them with a roadmap to a better life, and his advice has helped generations of Americans to overcome adversity and achieve their dreams. While some may dismiss the power of positive thinking as merely wishful thinking, there is no denying that Peale's book has had a profound impact on American society. 4. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. In Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill argues that the key to success is thinking the right thoughts. According to Hill, success is not a matter of luck or talent, but of mindset. He believes that all humans have the power to control their thoughts and, as a result, their destiny. To back up his claims, Hill provides numerous examples of successful people who have overcome adversity to achieve their goals. He also includes chapters on specific topics such as goal setting and decision making. While some may view Hill's book as overly simplistic, there is no denying that it contains valuable insights into the role of mindset in achieving success. 5. The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz. David J. Schwartz's The Magic of Thinking Big has inspired readers for generations with its simple, yet powerful message of success. In the book, Schwartz outlines a step-by-step program for achieving personal and professional goals. He stresses the importance of setting big goals and thinking positive in order to achieve them. One of the book's most famous quotes is, "Believe you can and you're halfway there." This simple message has inspired people from all walks of life to achieve their dreams. Whether it's making a career change, starting a business, or losing weight, the magic of thinking big provides the motivation and advice needed to make it happen. With its positive message and practical advice, it's no wonder this book has remained popular for over 50 years. 6. As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. The book sets forth the idea that our thoughts create our reality and that we have the power to control our thoughts in order to create the life we want. The book has been highly influential, and its message is just as relevant today as it was over 100 years ago. As Allen writes, "You are today where your thoughts have brought you, you will be tomorrow where your thoughts take you." This simple but powerful statement encapsulates the book's central message, that we have the power to control our destiny by controlling our thoughts. If we want to achieve success, we must think positive, productive thoughts. This book is an essential guide for anyone who wants to create a better life for themselves. 7. The Art of Happiness by Dalai Lama 14. The book is based on interviews with the Dalai Lama about his life and views on happiness. In it, the Dalai Lama discusses his own experiences with happiness and how we can achieve it in our own lives. He emphasizes the importance of inner peace and contentment, as well as our efforts to help others. The book also includes advice on dealing with difficult emotions such as anger and depression. Overall, The Art of Happiness provides readers with a valuable insight into the Dalai Lama's thought process and how we can find happiness in our own lives. 8. The Road Less Traveled by M. Scott Peck. The Road Less Traveled quickly became a bestseller, selling more than 5 million copies in the United States alone. The book explores the idea that humans are often resistant to change and growth, even when it is in their best interest. Peck argues that this resistance is due to our inherent fear of the unknown. In order to achieve lasting change, he believes that we must first learn to accept ourselves, warts and all. Only then can we begin to move forward on the path of self-improvement. Though it has been over 4 decades since its initial publication, The Road Less Traveled remains an influential book, inspiring readers to reflect on their own lives and strive for personal growth. 9. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. The author chronicles his experience as a prisoner in a Nazi concentration camp. The book has been tremendously influential, selling over 10 million copies worldwide. In it, Frankl argues that the meaning of life is not an abstract concept but something that can be found in our everyday experiences. He suggests that we all have the power to find meaning in our lives, even in the midst of suffering. The book has been widely lauded for its insights into the human condition and its message of hope in the face of adversity. Man's Search for Meaning remains one of the most important and influential works of our time. 10. Awaken the Giant Within by Anthony Robbins. It has become a bestseller, with millions of copies sold worldwide. The book is based on Robbins' belief that we all have untapped potential within us, and that we can achieve anything we want in life if we learn to harness that potential. To help readers achieve their goals, the book provides practical advice on topics such as goal setting, time management, and overcoming fear. In addition, each chapter includes exercises and affirmations to help readers put the book's principles into practice. Whether you're looking to improve your career, health, or relationships, Awaken the Giant Within can help you achieve your dreams. This list is a great starting point for anyone who wants to improve their life and find more success, happiness, and peace. Each book provides valuable insights and strategies that can help you achieve your goals. So pick up a few of these books and start learning how to create a life you love and more. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this list helpful.